Hi and welcome. I'm here today with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and I'll be showing you how you can take screenshots without pressing any buttons. So, first we have to go to the settings and look for additional settings. It's right there under the apps. Then we have to go to button shortcuts and take a screenshot. Here we just have to choose slide 3 fingers down. Okay, now let's go back to the home screen and simply take your 3 fingers and move them down across the screen like this. As you can see, we have made a screenshot, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.